Someone advised early bird catches the worm, but does that someone know the worm which comes out first is caught? Everybody has their own time zones. We might not be selected today, we might not be placed today, but definitely we will be placed one day. I no longer will be desperate to get into companies. I would work so hard, be so good that I would make companies be desperate to take me. A very good evening to one and all present here. I am Himanshu Sharma from Quant Masters. And on the outset, I wish you all a very happy new year. May this new year bring you tons of happiness, tons of peace, and tons of success. So this video is made to address all queries related to TCS NQT 2021, October as well as Feb. But before I start that, one good news which I read today in the news is top MNCs are hiring 90 plus thousand students as freshers. I would repeat, top MNCs are recruiting 90,000 plus freshers this year. So it's a very big news to all the ones who are watching this. Now, before I start, I would like to express my gratitude and happiness by because more than 500 students from YouTube who watched our videos on TCS NQT interviews have cracked. They have told us, sir, just by watching your YouTube videos, we have cracked the interviews. And our students, more than 200 of our students are placed in NQT in digital as well as Ninja profiles. So we are very happy with the results. And also right now, the reason why I was not on YouTube for the last 1 month is because we are putting our heart and soul into our Wipro batch. We have already trained 150 live hours for them, live hours, 150 hours with conducting tests, conducting chapter wise assessments, concepts, techniques, revision classes, everything that is possible to see through it that everybody get placed in Wipro. Okay, so apologies for not being on YouTube all these days. So now I have found that there's a lot of dilemma, there is a lot of confusion among students with respect to TCS NQT Feb 2021. So we have collected queries from students who have come up to us, and we will be discussing that in today's video. So let's start. Question number one, sir, I did not get selected or reject. I did not get selection or rejection mail in my previous NQT exam. What do I do? So if you have still not got the rejection mail or the selection mail, by now you should have got the selection mail. Okay. If you still haven't got, please check your next step portal. If you have got your marks in that, which means you're not selected. People who are selected know their marks are not visible in the next step portal. This is what I've observed in all my students. Okay. So if your marks are visible, you're not selected, or you check with your fellow mates from the same college, you check with your friend from the same college. Okay, if they have got the results, you haven't got the results, again you're not selected. Sir, no, none of my friends have got the result, might be all your friends are rejected. Okay, so check around. If 100 people are applied, at least one would have got selected. Okay, for sure. So please check with your friends, same college people, check with your TPO. If your TPO have sent the list and your name is not in the list, definitely you're rejected. If your marks is there in the next step portal, again you're rejected. Okay, coming to the next one. When is Quant Master starting a new batch? Tentatively 25th of Jan. Right now, we are still planning how should we do it, because I want students to first learn concepts. After we teach them concepts, we need to teach them techniques, how to do it in a faster way. After we teach technique, then we have to provide revision class for TCS. After we provide revision class, we have to take tests. So there's a lot of preparation going on. Okay, we just don't give you recorded classes. We train you live and we roast you for 5 hours every day. Okay, so this is about it. So we are into planning tentatively 25th. Okay, we will announce more about it in a day or two. I am selected for the Ninja profile. Can I take up the exam in Feb and get digital? Yes, you can. You can. Okay, so I just spoke to the HR of TCS. This is confirmed because getting information from so many, we cannot rely. Okay, so I directly called TCS. I first called placement officers, and they themselves do not know. That is when we went to TCS HR, we called them up, and we got to know that people who are already selected in Ninja can apply again NQT Feb 2021. If you're selected in Ninja, you get opportunities to apply for digital as well as for innovation. Digital profile is 7 LPA, 7 lakhs per annum. Innovation will be 11 lakhs per annum. Okay, you are eligible. Please do apply. Sir, I'm already selected in digital. You can apply for innovation. This can be done. I'm okay. Next one. I did not qualify NQT in October. Am I eligible to take up in Feb? Yes, 100%. You can take it up in Feb for sure. In Feb NQT, which profile are they going to hire? See, Feb NQT, if TCS is hiring, it will hire for Ninja profile, digital profile, as well as for innovation profile. Apart from TCS, there is a lot of companies which they are tied up with. Okay, I will share the link in the group description. I'll share the link in the description. You click on it, you'll get to know the various companies which they are associated with. A lot of companies. Online exam or offline? It will be offline, as they have mentioned. It will be in the center. So you have to go to the ION center of TCS and you have to take it up over there. So people who scored really good marks last time staying at home, this time you have to go to the center. I hope you understood what I meant. Any mechanical companies hiring through NQT? Tata themselves have Tata Motors. Okay, and even electrical and electronic, they have Tata Electric. Okay, so you can apply in all these companies. Do not worry. Okay, that is, I'm just telling you that one company that they will, it depends on them how much companies they tie up with and bring onto their portal. Their portal would be designed by April is what they have committed to. So let's wait and watch. And it again purely depends on them. How many companies can they tie up with? Are we eligible for interview with previous scorecard? No. No. New year, new exam, new scorecard, new company. Okay. Eligibility criteria for NQT, that is minimum CGPA. They have not mentioned. They have not mentioned because there are companies which do not see your CGPA. There are companies which see your CGPA. So they have told any percentage can apply for this company. Okay, there are few companies. There are few companies who are like, we do not need 60%. We do not need 50%. It's fine. So for those companies with which they tie up with, you can apply for those companies with your NQT score. But for TCS, you cannot apply because TCS, right from 10-15 years, they are asking first class engineering aggregate. But others, yes, you can apply. Then next question, I cleared NQT in October, did not clear the interview. Can I take up the exam again in Feb? Yes, you can take up. Can 2020 passouts apply? Yes. Even 2018 and 2019 also can apply. Now they have given a statement, okay, which is quite ambiguous. They have told freshers with 2 years of less experience, with less than 2 years of experience can apply. I don't understand the statement. Freshers with less than 2 years of experience can apply. If 1 year of experience is there, you are no longer a fresher. So according to them, if they are telling, if for them, if they feel that less than 2 years are all freshers, apply for it. Sir, I do not have any experience. Can I apply? Go for it. Apply. Okay. You're eligible or not is secondary. Just apply. 2018, 2019 pass out, sir. We do not have experience. Shall we apply, sir? Please apply because that statement is quite ambiguous. Okay. That is not clear. Next one. Fifth sem students can apply. Yes, pre-final year students can apply. They have clearly mentioned. VTU exams are on the same day. What do we do? Take up the VTU exam. What is the package and role offered in NQT? Many companies are there. TCS is offering Ninja, Digital, and Innovation. Other companies offer other roles and packages. So you can't just gauge under one role or one offer. Okay, many companies. Again, depends on how many companies they tie up with. Can student with 60%, less than 60% in PU apply? Yes, there are companies, as I told you, not only in engineering, they oversee your results even in 10th as well as in 12th. So you can apply for that. I'm selected for Ninja in October. Can I take up the exam in Feb and upgrade to digital or innovation? Yes. I got Ninja offer from TCS. How to apply for different companies through NQT score? Please take up Ninja again in Feb 2021 and try to score better so that more your marks you can apply for companies and your chance of getting shortlisted for the company will be more. Okay, then I have less than 60 aggregate. Can I apply? Yes. Is it mandatory to take up cognitive skills? Yes, as they have mentioned that you have to take up aptitude, reasoning, verbal and analytical test for sure. This is mandatory. After that, that is basic NQT. Two more variants is there. One is with respect to industry and one is with respect to domain. Industry means either you want to get into IT, banking or accounts. So commerce people can choose accounts, banking and all. And IT people who are into engineering can choose IT. And then comes domain specific. In domain specific, they have mentioned, do you want to get into IT basic programming or higher level programming? All that is there. So you have to select. And they have even told that when you're selecting programming, higher level programming, you cannot select basic level programming. That point they have mentioned it somewhere. Okay, so please go through that. But yeah, you have to take up aptitude mandatory. Later, if companies need coding, whoever has taken up coding, their name will be shortlisted for the interview. So it depends on companies to companies. But my advice to you is at least take up basics of programming. Select basics of programming in your domain specific NQT. Why? Because many companies expect basics of programming. Okay. If you say no to basics of programming, you will miss out a lot of companies. Please do not do that. Next one. Why can students with Ninja offer take up the exam and try to upgrade to digital? Yes, you can. Due to issues, I could not clear October 2020. Can I take up the exam in Feb? Yes. If you are not interested in coding side, which variant should I choose? Not interested in coding. If you're from engineering department, choose basic of NQT plus you can choose basic of programming. Okay, even though you're not into higher level, at least choose basic of programming. So these were the questions which were asked, queries which were asked. I hope I have answered all your queries. um, any more queries which you have, please put it in the comment box. We will see through that all your queries are answered. I have a pool of 5,000 people, so we will discuss with them and we will try to bring out as many answers as possible and try to clear things so that it will help you with your preparation. I hope this video was helpful to you. Okay. We wish you a very happy new year again. May your year be very successful. May all of you get placed as soon as possible. With this, I end this video. Take good care of yourselves. Keep smiling. Bye bye, people.